to make a number names activity for kids like age 4, 1 to 4. So first of all, you should make like this cone. 5 or 10 you can make. I'll show you how to make this. So all you need is scissor, paper, and a bowl and a pencil. Okay? So let us start this. First, put a bowl here and draw a circle. Be ready on the circle. Next, now cut into pieces like this. See? Now after that make like this. Fold it like this. See? Make it semicircle. See? Now cut it half like this. See? It turned to half. Semicircle. Now see? Make it into cone shape like this. Roll like this or anywhere. I'm doing like this because the background we can see. Turn it like this, and turn it into cone. See? You turn it into cone. See? You can see it. Now stick it with glue or use stapler pin. I hope you can see now. Now take this glue. You can use any glue and stick here. Okay. Then close it like this. See? Now it turned to cone. Now keep it aside and let it dry. Now again I will show you. See? Roll it like this. No, sorry. Roll it like this. Keep it like this. And roll. See? It turned to a cone, formed a cone. Now open little more and stick, put glue, and close it. See? It has been stuck. And keep it aside. Now I made 6 cones and I don't need this one because I'm teaching my son only number 1 to 5 number names. So if you want to make 10, you can teach them 10 also. Okay, then now you can use sketch pen, pencil, anything. I'm using sketch pen and write on the board here on the center number 1, like numeral number. Don't write the number name here. So I'm going to write now. Now see, I made 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you need eye stick. Okay. Now you need ice, and now I'm using 5 ice sticks. If you are making 1 to 5 ice cones, you can take 10 ice sticks. Okay. Now you should put the glue here and stick it on here on the back. Don't stick on the front. See? Stick it on here on the back, inside back. Don't put in the front. Okay. Now I hope it is dry, but it's not. So you have to wait for 5 minutes at least, or else it will fall. The ice stick will fall. Now after 5 minutes, it's ready. I cut this ice cream cone. No, sorry, like this. You should cut it. I know you guys will tell that, oh man, this is time wasting, cutting and cutting. It's okay, the rest of the pieces we can use in another video. Subscribe my channel and like the video, click notification all so that you can see another video and you can use this rest of this waste cutting things. Okay, I'll cut like this. Ah, it's very hard to cut it, and I cut. Keep it aside, and this also. Uh, yes, I got it. And next paper. Uh, I cut it. I cut it like this. See. And now you have to cut like this. This is your last step. Cut it. Not last step. This is second last step. Cut it like this. And roll like. Do like this, like a band. See. And stick here. I will make it now. Now see, I have drawn like that shape, and I will cut like fast. 3, 2, 1, and I cut it. Where I will come. I have cut it. See how fast I cut. Okay. Now you have to do the same thing I told you that time. That you have to do like this and stick it. See, like this you have to stick. I'll stick in 3, 2, 1. And now I made it. See, it came like this, like an ice cream scoop. But you think it's not a scoop? Okay, so you can make by your wish. Now, you have to do is stick. No need to stick. Just keep like this. See? Just keep like this, and right here too. That is your last step. I'm gonna write this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm ready, and now it's finished. I made small ice cream scoop. Don't worry about it. You can make more bigger. I made my wish. Okay, it's okay. And now it's end. The video is going to be end. Subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to click the bell and click all and comment. Thank you guys. Bye bye.